All right, so I recently purchased a 2008 Cadillac STS. And it came with 2 key fobs, but they were pretty beat up. So if you ever tried to buy a key fob from a dealer, they're always super expensive. So I found this on Amazon, which it does not have the Cadillac logo on the back, but maybe I can pop that one off, who knows. So the key fob is the actual physical key, and then this plastic part, there's supposed to be a button here. So you can see there's a button here. So mine's a Cadillac STS, push the button, key comes out. This one is not cut, right? You need to have that cut. And then inside here, essentially you need to pry this guy apart. There you go. Yeah, so just, you don't want to go down in this part to crack it open. You want to crack it open the top piece here, and that pops right off. So you can see this actually comes with a battery. Pretty nice. So if you look at my old one, you know, for years of use, it's been just basically messed up. I'm gonna break it now because I don't need it, but this is the brains of the operation. So this is a generic one that needs to be reprogrammed. If you just move over this one, should work just fine. So I'm gonna take the guts of my old one. So we have our new shell, new rubber piece, old circuit board. So we clamped all this together, and then the old key should fit right in there. And now it's sealed tight, and this button actually works to release it. So now we just gotta go out the Cadillac and see if it works. I will retain all those other pieces just in case it doesn't. All right, here we are with the Cadillac. So here's the key fob that I have replaced. You can tell it locks the doors. I go up there. So I'm back here, so it's still locked, so you can see unlocked just fine. And now we're gonna lock it. And let me go ahead and remote start. Does that fine. There we are. My door is wonky, it doesn't do the automatic unlock. I gotta unlock it with the key still. Here we are in the car, and you can tell when I press the button, starts right up. So yeah, worked like a charm. Doesn't have this back piece, I gotta fix that somehow, but I gotta fix my tire monitor, but everything else, pretty great. All right, thanks.